What is repository? Repository is nothing but a folder where developers can store their code, code snippets, patches, documents, and any kind of digital assets they can store. You can store multiple projects in a separate folder. Whenever you want to work on the particular file, check out the file from the repository and you can do modification in your file that is said to be a working copy, and then after doing modification you have to update in the repository. How to create repository? To create repository, we need administrative tool called SVN admin. Through SVN admin, you can create repository. To know more information about SVN admin, type in your command line prompt SVN admin help. Let us see how to create a repository through command line interface. The command used SVN admin create path of the repository you have to specify. SVN admin is a tool similar to SVN, and then create is a sub command. And then where you want to create the repository, you have to specify the path of the repository. So the command used is SVN admin create path of the repository. Example, I want to create a repository called SVN repo. So I specified the path and the command used is create through the tool SVN admin. Let's see how to create a repository. SVN admin create SVN demo. I created a repository called SVN demo. Now you can see a folder SVN demo got created. So now we created a repository through SVN admin command. Now to list out the contents from the repository, you have to use the command ls. SVN ls and then the path of your repository. Example, SVN ls. SVN is the command. You are telling that you are using subversion. ls is the sub command to list out the contents from the repository, and then the path of your repository, from which path you have to specify. My repository is in my local host, so I'm using file and then the address you have to specify. You have to use triple slashes you have to specify. If your file is in local system, then you have to use file colon. There are different methods or different specifications to specify the address. We will see in detail in the next slide. Example, just type SVN ls and then the path of the repository. Depends upon the repository location, you have to use different schema. In the previous example, we created the repository in the local host. So to access that repository, we used file colon triple slash. Assume if my repository in a different place, they are in Apache server. To access those repository, you have to use http :/. Assume if our repository is in SVN server, then you have to access through SVN :/. Depends upon the location of repository, you have to use this different schema you have to use. And more reference related to SVN, you can refer SVN Redbook. Now let's see how to use SVN list. ls is a normal ls command. I want to list out what are the different files and folders are there in my current working directory. I already created SVN repo. Okay, so SVN repo is my repository. Now I want to list out what are the different files and folders are there in my repository. So to list out SVN, either you can type ls or list and then the path of your repository. The path of the repository, my repository is in my local host, so you have to use file colon triple slash and then the path home and then SVN repo. Now you can see the folders and the text files which I stored in my repository. You can see in repository you can't do any modification. If you want to add some file, you want to delete some file, you have to download this file in your working directory. Then you can do all your modification and you can update. Repository is a place where to store. You can't do any modification or you can't perform any other operations you can't perform.